All right, we are back again. We are still doing the same question. 1.1, question 1. Determine without the use of a calculator between which two integers the number square root of 30 will lie. When they say without the use of a calculator, it doesn't mean that you should not use the calculator. You should not touch your calculator. But you can use the calculator in a correct way, right? Let's hope I do make sense, right? So now you are having square root of 30. Guys, we know that here on the square root there is always what? There is always 2. So why I'm saying that, if you want to solve this question, you should know what is the number that is there on that side of root. So since it's just a root, we know there's 2. If there is 3, that's where you say it's cube root. You understand, and so on. So it's easy. What we can do now, you should write the numbers from 1 up until to 10. So I'll just write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So since here there is 2, since there is 2 there, I will square all my numbers. So it's 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So we now know that square root of 1, it's equals to 1. So here you write 1, 2 squared. You punch your calculator. Do not use your mind. Do not use your mind. It's very dangerous. So now we know it's 2 squared. It will give you 4. You write 4. We are having 3 squared. Where is my calculator? We are having 3 squared. It will give you 9. We are having 4 squared. 16. It will give you 9. It will give you 16. It will give you 25. And then 6 squared. 6 squared will give 36. 36. 7 squared. 7 squared will give you 49. Right, 49. 8. 8 squared will give you 64. 64. Then in 9 squared. 9 squared will give you 81. So having 81, the last one should be 100. So just like that. So we have simplified everything. So we need to know where does 30 will lie, in which two numbers in between those two numbers. So we know 30 is greater than 25 and it's less than 36. So we know that 30 it will be here. We know that 30 will be here. We know 30 will be there. So since we know that 30 will be there, now we can say square root of 30 less than square root. Now you apply square roots of 36 less than that one of square root of what? Of 25. Of 25. So we know already, if we have simplified everything, if you have squared the numbers, we know square root of 30 will lie in between those numbers, which is what and what? Which is 5 and what? And 6. You understand? So now square root of 25, it will give you 5. Less than square root of 30, less than 6. So Now you will say square root of 30 will lie. You will say square root of 30. You say therefore square root of 30 will lie in between 6 and 5 integers. Oh, yes, integers. That's how you should answer your question, just like that.